So how to prepare ethics paper? Start early, most of the content is static. Anyway, not much rote learning is needed. Hello everyone, I am Shakiba and today we will discuss about how to prepare GS4 ethics paper for UPSC Civil Services. So let's have a look here. Okay, so how to prepare ethics paper? Start early, most of the content is static. Anyway, not much rote learning is needed. Prepare a list of keywords, objectivity, values, moral turpitude, etc. with succinct definitions. The keyword list is the foundation of preparation. Link the keywords to quotes or quotable instances. Instances can be from both personal life or from the lives of greater leaders or thinkers. Refer to the past UPSC question papers and solve the case study questions. Read second ARC reports, make notes of all the recommendations. Okay? Okay. So let us GS4 exam structure as UPSC 2023. So UPSC 2023 के अकॉर्डिंग हमने ये एक स्ट्रक्चर डिज़ाइन किया है जिसमें आपको पता चलेगा कि क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो किस बेसिस पे आते हैं. So total of 12 questions for 250 marks. The questions can be divided into two parts. Part 1, 125 marks, direct questions on concepts, theories which test candidates' understanding of terms and keywords related to ethics, integrity and aptitude. Okay? And part 2, 125 marks, case studies which test the candidate's ability to apply the ethical concepts to real life dilemmas. Most questions in part 1 have subparts and all questions are compulsory. Okay, next. 10 must-read topics for GS4 ethics that are important. Human values, lessons from the lives and teachings of great leaders, reformers and administrators. Relation of attitude to thought and behavior. Foundational values of civil services, objectivity, impartiality, non-partisanship, etc. Empathy, tolerance and compassion towards the weaker sections of the society. Utility and application of emotional intelligence in administration and governance. Ethical concerns and dilemmas in government and private institutions. Laws, rules, regulations and conscience as sources of ethical guidance. Challenges of corruption, right to information and the last, information sharing and transparency in government. Okay, so these are the 10 must read topics for GS4 ethics. Okay, next, writing the GS4 ethics paper in IAS mains. Like, attempt all questions, don't spend an inordinate amount of time on case studies. As far as possible, include a definition along with an example to bring out the concept being asked. In the case of studies, identify and write the ethical versus legal dilemma. Make simple flowcharts to illustrate the course of action. Ideally, answers for direct questions should have the structure, definition, introduction, theory, example and conclusion. Real life examples add a lot of value to answers. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.